Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today we will discuss about sedimentary rocks, chapter 7. So you have to watch this video very carefully. I have made for you and you will learn many things from this video. So let us start that sedimentary rocks, chapter 7, Standard 5 Science. So let us discuss about sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rocks, you can see sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are types of rock that are formed by the deposition of small particles and cementation of mineral or organic particles on the floor of oceans or other bodies of water at the earth's surface. That means sedimentary rocks are formed when the rocks are weathered, rocks are broken into smaller particles, and the river flows over these rock, then or by the wind also it can be carried and deposited to the surface of the water bodies like sea, oceans or any water bodies, and in small particles. After that many years they are accumulated there, and by the cementation, that means under high pressure and they cemented together. Now these all organic or mineral particles cemented together on the floor of the ocean bodies or sea, any water body, they cemented together to form sedimentary rock. As layers of sediment build up over thousands of years, they get compressed and form solid sedimentary rock. After years of sedimentation and cementation, they are compressed and they form solid sedimentary rock. Now next we will see about this rock. Formation of sedimentary rock you can see in this video also. Let us see that video. So you can see many types of sedimentary rocks are formed according to the temperature and high pressure. You can see by the rain, wind and water. These all rocks are broken into smaller pieces. These are carried by the river water, and some animals also die and mixes in these sediments. They are also going inside that sediments, and year after year these layers of sediments are accumulated on the ocean or any water bodies floor. Now at the floor they are compressed highly. After thousands of years they solidifies after compression and they form different types of sedimentary rocks. So you can see this type of things happens by the formation during the limestone, sandstone. You can see this type of rocks are formed when this type of sedimentation occur. Now so let us see about the next what happens. Formation of sedimentary rocks. You can see how the layers are formed according to the structure of the grains. Now you can see first layer is mudstone, then siltstone, limestone, sandstone, conglomerate. Now according to the minerals present in the rocks, they are classified into different types of sedimentary rocks. You can see under the ocean bed, now aquatic animals also you can see. So under the water these all sediments are collected and they form layer by layer sedimentary rocks. Now weathering. What is weathering? So let us see what is weathering. Earth's surface is always changing and weather conditions like rain, snow and water break away rocks. Now due to the heat of the sun, the rocks get heated. After that when there is rain or snow or water, then that becomes cool. So continuous heating and cooling of the rock breaks the rock. Now first it cracks the rock. After in these cracks water gathers and this water make the rock soft, and after some years it breaks into smaller pieces. Now this is called weathering. Then soil is formed. Now small particles of rocks are formed, and this process of forming smaller particles of rocks is called weathering. Now after weathering you can get the small particles. Now what are sediments? So what after forming these all small particles, rivers and streams carry tiny particles of rocks that are formed due to the weathering. Pebbles, gravel, sand, clay and dissolved minerals with them. When rivers flows, stream flows, they carry all these rock pebbles, gravel, sand, all these minerals with them. These particles make a layer at the bottom of the rivers and streams. These are collected at the bottom of the rivers and streams. This settled matter is called sediment, and sedimentary rock is formed from this sediment. That's why the name given sedimentary rock. Now after thousands of years, this all sediment compressed with high pressure and they change into solid rock and it forms sedimentary. You can see the process of formation of sedimentary rock here. Sediment compaction. After that compaction happen, that means they are becoming compact due to high pressure. After that cementation, they are cemented together and they becomes hard and they form sedimentary rock. Now next we will see types of sedimentary rock. You can see many types of sedimentary rock. Type of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can put into groups according to the way they are created and the size of the fragments that they contain. According to the size of the particles that they contain, also we can divide sedimentary rocks into many types. First is conglomerate. So conglomerate rock of uneven texture, it is made of pebbles and gravel cemented together. Pebbles means bigger pieces and gravel also bigger pieces of stones, and they are cemented together by minerals and sand and carried by water. They are cemented together under high pressure. These are carried by the water currents. Conglomerate is found mostly in shades of grey and orange. It is used as ornamental rock and for polishing ornaments. It is used as ornamental, that means people are making ornaments to wear, and it is used in polishing ornaments also. Now you can see the conglomerate rock. Here given one picture of conglomerate. You can see the picture. It is ornamental rock. Now this picture is of conglomerate. Next is shale. Shale is also a type of sedimentary rock. It is made up of fine grains. It is made up of fine grains. Conglomerate was big stones. It is fine grains of clay and mud. Clay is fine particle and mud which consists of very fine particles of weathered rock. After weathering, rock becomes very small fine particles piled up in layers. They are gathering in layers one by one. Layers are formed. It is used for making bricks, tiles, etc. It is a smooth rock. Since it is formed from the fine grains, it is very smooth rock, and it is used to make bricks, tiles, etc. Let us see about the shale. What is the shape? You can see in this picture a shale rock is given here. It is very smooth, you can see. So it is used to make tiles and bricks. Let us see about the next type of rock, that is sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock composed mainly of sand. That's why its name is given sand. It is made up of sand grains cemented together. Mainly it is consists of sand that is cemented together under high pressure into a rock. It mostly contains grains of minerals. It is red, pink, yellow and brown in color. It is often used as a building stone. It is building stone. The Red Fort and the Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid and Red Fort in Delhi are built with sandstone because they are easily available. This sandstone easily available in these places. Delhi and Rajasthan are built with a sandstone. Quartz is the main mineral found in sandstone. One shining material you can see in the sand. When you will see sand, you can see some materials are shining in the sand. That material is called quartz. So let us see what is quartz and sandstone. Like you can see the picture of sandstone. It is looking yellow, pink and many types of grains are present in this. You can see the shining material also, that is quartz. So it is sandstone. You can see the sandstone clearly. Now next we will see about quartz. What is quartz? So what is quartz? Let us see first. Quartz, it is the most common mineral on the earth. It is known as rock crystal. It is also known as rock crystal because it is very much shiny material. You can see how much it is shining. So quartz is very shining material. You can see in this picture so much it is shining here. This is quartz. So quartz is shining material present in the sand. It is now limestone. There is another type of sedimentary rock, that is limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed primarily of calcium carbonate. Lime, that is lime, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, in the form of the mineral calcite. The mineral present in the limestone is calcite. It is mostly formed in clear, warm, shallow marine waters where marine animals are present. It is usually an organic sedimentary rock that forms from the accumulation of shell, coral, algal and fecal debris. So these are all shell when they are dying, corals are dying, algae are dying, and all the fecal materials of animals, they are depositing under the surface of the sea or ocean. They form limestone, no? Because since their shell is also consist of calcium carbonate, that when they die they deposit and they form limestone. It is also a type of sedimentary rock. Let us see the picture of limestone. You can see the picture here. This limestone is there. So limestone is also a type of sedimentary rock. You can see the picture of limestone in this picture. Now next it is over. Next we will meet in the next class to read about next type of rock. Thank you students. We will meet again. Thank you.